everybody. How are you guys today? I'm doing alright. And we're going to be planning for November, the November monthly spread. And per usual, over my last few videos, I've had to do shoutouts. And today, whenever you're watching this, is my last one for my gaming friends. So, we have Fake Mind, B, Lionheart, and actually the rest of server 843 on Ark Survival Evolved. Thank you for joining me on my channel. Anyway, guys, so for all of my planner friends out there, you guys know who you are. We are going to be doing this plan with me with this beautiful kit from Stickerbloom. I haven't bought from Stickerbloom in a couple of years, and this was on sale, and it's that beautiful rose gold foil. Get that little foil shot. I think it's rose gold. I always struggle with this. It's either rose gold or champagne. No, that's rose gold. Okay. So it's a 2-page kit. It's on premium matte, and this is Thanksgiving, but not. So it's not super over the top. It's just very fall and feminine. But yeah. Whew. We're going to get into this and see how it all turns out. I haven't worked with foil, and as you guys know, I don't buy foil unless it's relatively the same price as a regular kit. So this was on sale for I think 50 or 60% off when I bought it on her website. And then just to look back at last month, see, sidebar, need more decorative sidebars because I don't use them anymore like I used to. But we're going to go ahead and jump into this, and I will talk to you guys again at the end. So here we go. Alrighty guys, so here it is, all done, and it is so pretty. I really am enjoying this spread. This little peach pom-pom was from Plan to Be Fab as a freebie. I just thought it went really well with the kit, and yeah, I really like it. I did pull in this like champagne foiled washi from Scotch Expressions that I got at Target, just up here. The rose gold that I had was 2 copper, and this was the closest I had, so I went with that, you know, and just as something to add in there, because I do like to cover up these days. I don't know if it's the prettiest box I've ever created, but it'll work. I did flip the date on this one because I didn't want to cover the turkey's head. Other than that, it's pretty cut and dry. Everything was from the kit, which always makes me happy. I emptied off this sheet here just to this one bit, just in case I have any birthdays or a phone meeting or something. I mean, I don't think we'll ever use that, but it doesn't hurt. So we just pop this back here, take out last month's little sheet that I had leftovers, and put this month's back there, and we'll save these for later. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and I hope everyone had a happy and safe, fun-filled Halloween, however you decided to spend it. So we'll do a little, what do they call this, a viv wiggle? I don't know, a foil wiggle? I'm not very good at them because my lights don't show foil the same way as other folks. So I love premium matte paper so much. So yeah, I will talk to you guys again very soon, and you can catch up with me over on Instagram if you're looking for updates. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.